it. I gotta hold up the banner.
Need any help?
Yep, thanks. Gotta be careful, even if you are amazing. At holding things in your hands.
Last lap!
Amazing at holding things. Adrikins, what you got there? Some super old case or something?
Careful, it's Alex's!
If it's Alex's, it's probably worthless. Give it back to Adrian, Chloe.
I call a rematch. That false start back there threw me off.
Did you do this? I had to videotape the race, so I gave it to Marinette, but then she had to hold the banner, so she gave it to Adrian. Then Chloe snatched it from him and dropped it, and, then you skated over it.
My old man gave me this for my birthday. This watch is totally a family heirloom.
It was an accident.
We didn't mean any harm, Alex.
As if. I totally had nothing to do with this.
You're all to blame.
Alex, wait! Marinette, what about Mrs. Shamak's cake? There's still time. Hi, Tiki.
Such disappointment, frustration, and negativity. Oh, how it fills my heart with exhilaration. Fly away, my little Akuma, and evilize her.
Bon appetit. It's Mrs. Shamak. Hello?
Hi, I'm in front of the
Yes,
bakery, but it's closed. I really need
I
my cake
know
now.
you need your cake right away. My daughter's home. She must be upstairs. I'll phone her immediately.
Maybe we could fix it?
This watch was sick. One of a kind. It can't be fixed.
Well, there has to be a way to get it back to the way it was.
Like how, huh? Go back in time and change the future? When you figure out how to do that, let me know.
Uh-oh, this can't be good. Hello, Dad.
Timebreaker, I am Hawkmoth. I'm granting you the power to retaliate against the people who've wronged you, and to go back in time to restore the future. But you must do me a favor in return when the time is right.
You got it, Hawkmoth.
Mrs. Shamak is outside waiting to get her cake.
I gotta go, Dad. Can't keep Mrs. Shamak waiting.
She was listening to music.
Run!
Stop, Alex! What are you doing?
The name's Timebreaker now, and I'm gonna go back in time and save my watch, using all you punks to do it.
Go back in time? What did you do to Kim? Why is he fading?
I needed his energy. Besides, the dude was a pain anyway with all those bets. He deserves to disappear forever, and so do you!
We gotta transform, now! Tiki, box on! Yeah! Time out, Timebreaker!
Please, help me up! I messed up. Please, please!
No!
Sweet Rose, always thinking of others before yourself. 1 minute. I gotta destroy her Akuma before everyone disappears for good. Where on earth is that cat?
Time to transform. Clap! Claws out!